Hi, I'm Ronak Agarwal and I'll be discussing on the topic demonetization and its impact on Indian capital markets. Prior to November 8, demonetization has happened twice in India. On one of the occasions, it led to slump, while on other, it was followed by an economic boom. But in the recent case, the effects were seen in the stock market on the very next day as both Sensex and Nifty fell by over 6%. The reason for this was attributed to expected fall in consumption pattern and slower GDP growth rate projections. But this adjustment seems to be temporary and likely to correct in midterm as we are not very clear about the impact on the slowdown. As we know, velocity of money is amount of GDP single rupee can generate in an economy which as estimated by RBI is 1.3 in India. Here, money refers to both broad money as well as cash, and they are linked by a factor of 6 in India. Thus, effectively, velocity of money in formal Indian economy is 7.8, but we cannot predict velocity in informal economy, and hence the impact of demonetization on GDP cannot be accurately measured. Thus, the recent fall in stock prices and FIIs selling shares worth more than 26,000 crores provides an opportunity for domestic investors to enter the market with long-term profile. Further, as can be seen from the graphs that when compared to its peers' performance, the performance of Indian capital market since demonetization hasn't had any significant changes. However, certain sectors are expected to face the heat in short run like retail, FMCG and microfinance, but these are expected to stabilize later. Since demonetization, the volume of trade in bond market is also on increase. With decreasing interest rates, the yields have softened, thus presenting an attractive investment opportunity for long-term investing. Also, banks are currently having high liquidity and are looking for government securities to invest in, hence stimulating the bond market further. Another instrument that may be impacted by demonetization is insurance. In short term, due to limited liquidity, life and retirement product may slow down, while auto products would largely be unaffected and people would look towards health insurance as an alternative investment options. But in long term, with increased income at bottom of the pyramid and digitalization, the market for insurance product is expected to multiply. Thus, such an initiative would further the momentum of Indian insurance industry with decreased cost of capitals positively affecting the economy in long term. The move of demonetizing pans out to be a boon for Indian capital markets, although the volatility is expected in short term. But as Warren Buffett points out, volatility is friend of long-term investors.